Hi, my name is Theo, and I've been working with the AMORE team in Barcelona on the blueprints for an emergent personality project. The project has been a year long in the making and has resulted in 6 large pieces on paper, as well as a range of preparatory works and a 140-page sketchbook. It began in initial stages in Barcelona. The aim of the residency was to visually explore the possibilities for visual representation of non-human personality, using AMORE's data. I began with the AMORE office and worked out in rings, sketching all the people, places, and creating a visual record of what might become relevant in understanding the material environments around this developing non-human personality. I worked with a particular task set for the algorithm, where it tried to predict the language that was used by mothers speaking to their children. This raised the interesting issue of how language and mind relate, where emotions, intentions, and knowing, understanding what defines concrete slabs from tree bark by taking rubbings from the pavement and photographing things like knots in the trees. I also looked at what this other mind, this hypothetical entity, might recognize, the toys, machines, robots around the city. The final stages of my project took place in London, where I paid attention to how deep neural nets in general can see, how they break down images, are prey to optical illusions, understand through layers, through dots, through assigning values. The initial stages after the sketchbook were preparatory collages and paintings where I played around with what it might mean for the self to be created among the textures I encountered in Barcelona. The resulting large pieces dealt with notions of motherlessness, unself-recognition, also building oneself out of available materials, the parallels between bark, between the rubbings from the concrete, between letters, words, concepts, knowledge, recognition, and meaning. Thorny issues of what can be known, how it can be recognized, and the building of self could be dealt with emotionally. I see this not as a literal assignment to discover the actual personality of this particular algorithm, but more as a challenge to face how humans deal with other minds, and trying to develop new avenues to understand empathy and what it could mean to encounter otherness that is an extension of this early AI.